In case if you need it, you can just go back to it. So what we have is the prices for Nifty, Bank Nifty, the entry prices of all the scripts except SSLT, BPCL, Tata Steel and Hindalco. So in order to get these scripts, you can actually see this vertical red lines. It means that that particular script is not ready for trading still. But otherwise you can see that Nifty, we have a buy call here. ICICI, we have a buy call. YESBANK, we have a sell call. So what you'll be doing is you'll be buying one lot of Nifty and futures, but Nifty and Bank Nifty, I usually say that I avoid it, that on expiry dates. So rest of the scripts you can see ANDHRABANK we have a sell call, and Can India we have a sell, ONGC we have a buy. You can see the 30 scripts whatever we have actually put. I mean these are some of the scripts are on news, so I have just added this. Titan is a buy call now. That's on news today, that is the results. So L&T is a buy, ACC is a buy. So we'll just wait till 9:20 and we'll get the prices for Tata Steel, Hindalco, BPCL and SSLT. Then we can actually start trading in those 4 scripts also. But otherwise, I'll just give you an example of how you will be trading. Let's say YESBANK, you have 638. 638, you will short one lot of YESBANK and futures at the current market price. And the prices what you are seeing here are the equity or the cash market prices or the spot prices. But you can trade in spot and you can trade in futures and you can even trade in options also with this particular simple application. So you have the stop losses also. So let's say for YESBANK 640.90 is a stop loss and your 638.30 is the sell call. So if you can afford this stop loss of roughly say around 2 rupees, then you can enter the trade. So ANDHRABANK, you can see that it is a target 1. So we have on the left corner, you have the entry prices, the targets and the final targets also. So you can book your profits as per your risk management. So booking profits is one very important thing. It's like most of the scripts will definitely give you calls, and if you're not able to book the profits, then it's waste trading. So Axis we have a sell call, SBI we have a sell call. So it's 9:20 now. What I'll do is I'll put this auto refresh off for 1 minute and I'll just take the current day data. You'll get a pop-up, just say yes. Now you can see Tata Steel, Hindalco, BPCL we are yet to get. We'll get that prices also. So this you will be able to see here. I mean, when the data is being uploaded on the left bottom corner, you'll be able to see that icon. So once you get that, once this stops, then you can just put it on auto refresh on, and then you can actually start taking the calls. Okay, it's done now. I'll just put it on auto refresh on. And let me put it on full screen. Now we can see that we have a sell call in JUBLFOOD. CIPLA we have a sell call. You can see Hindalco we have a sell. So BPCL we are not getting the prices. So what we'll do is we'll just replace it with some, let's say Hindustan Petroleum, because it's in the same pack. So there you go. So in case if you don't get the price for a particular script, you can always change your scripts also. So Hindustan Petroleum we have a sell, Cain we have a sell. So these are some of the trades that we have as of now. And JUBLFOOD is a sell. It's on. We have the results here today. So apart from this particular software, we do have another software, that is the trading tree software, where we get the charts for the particular scripts. So what I'll do is I'll just take the backfill initially, and then I'll just open the charts. It will actually help me in trading better and making more profits. Or it's a better risk management tool when I have 2 or 3 applications running at the same time. I know where to book my profits, I know where my targets are. So it becomes very simple for me to enter a trade and exit a trade at a particular point. So if you can just see ACC is at target 1, ALBK we have on sell call, Hindustan Petroleum is at target 2. So I will, this will take some time. Let me just open the charts, then you'll be able to understand how we actually trade. So I'm just opening the charts. So there are only few charts here, but I do have another system where I have the charts for other scripts also.
There is a cell called Baron 1.
So we'll get a pop-up voice alert, or the voice alert with the pop-up that is on trading tree, the charts which I am opening. So you can just particularly go to that particular chart, and then you can see which are the good trades, and then you can place the trades. So Can India, you can just see that it has already done its final target here. Let me just open the rest of the charts. So in case if you have seen, let's say ACC, it has given an entry and then it made its first target, and then the first target is gone. Now what you do is you don't panic and you don't exit. What you'll have to do is you'll have to stick to your stop loss, and once a script reaches at least target 2 or target 3, then you can start booking your profits. And the important thing, the other risk management tool what we have here is, let's say in case of ACC, you have these percentages. These percentages are nothing but in case of, let's say ACC makes intermediate target, that is you can see this target, it will be roughly around 4% profit on your investment. That is calculated as per the NSE span margin. But in case if you have a broker who gives you very good margins, your profit will be at least 2 or 3 times this. That is 8% or 12%. So let me just open the charts, but otherwise you can just keep watching. You can just watch HCL Tech. It will make its final target. Hindalco, we had a very good buy call yesterday. Hindalco, Tata Steel, Tata Motors, and we did have HDFC, which was a sell call. Very good calls. You can see most of the IT scripts are gap up today. Infosys, TCS, we had final targets done in those yesterday. So final target for HCL Tech is done. You can just observe that. I'll just open all the charts, then it will become very easy for us. Maruti is on news, that is we have the results. So once we open the charts, I will actually be showing you. The commodity market doesn't open before 10 o'clock, Mr. Vijay, if you know this. The commodity markets opens at 10 o'clock. And what I am trying to show you is live. It's not like I'm trying to get some past data and I'm showing you. What I'm showing you is live. Yeah, this will continue after 10 also. So there you go, Tata Steel is still strong.
There is a sell call in ICICI Bank A1.
So that is, we have a sell call in ICICI. So all the IT pack is gap ups. You have some good trades on that. So I'm done with opening the charts. So now let's go back to, so we have Tech Mahindra buy call, SSLT buy, Titan buy, ONGC is a buy which is done its intermediate target. You can just see that intermediate targets for Tech Mahindra and ONGC. So these are some safe levels. The intermediate target means it's a safe level at which you can exit in case if you are looking at 5 or 10% profit on your investment. Let's say your broker is charging something like 5,000 rupees for ONGC, that is intraday contract. Then I think 1,000 or 2,000 rupees profit is very good profit for you, roughly around 20% profit. So you can see JUBLFOOD should be making its final target. MARUTI we have a sell call. ACC we have, so you can just observe ACC we had 1493, it went down, went up and then again it came back. So now you can change your stop loss to not 1488, you can change your stop loss to 1493. That is your entry prices because you will not be losing anything here. So let me add, in place of IOC and Reliance, what I'll do is I'll add in fee and I'll add TCS also here. These are two good calls. The reason why I'm saying that the IT pack is very active, you can just see that here, it's a gap up for in fee. Same thing for TCS also. TCS, Tech Mahindra. So you can just see Tech Mahindra is on results, but there is some other news, that is Fed news also. You can look for a target of R3 in Tech Mahindra. So Hindalco, we had an buy call yesterday. Now it is today it's a sell call. So 555.30 will be its intermediate target. 155.30, sorry. So it has done its intermediate target. So once a script makes its intermediate target, the best thing what you can do is you can keep trailing your stop losses till it either makes its final target or hits your stop loss. And that way you'll be able to maximize your profits. In case if you have any questions, please type it in the chat box. I will answer you. You can say 525 Tata Motors 525.60 is the entry. There you can buy Tata Motors in futures. So ACC, it's a strong buy call, and the same thing with Ambuja. We don't have a call still here in
There is a cell phone in
FuturesTree, but we do have a call in trading tree. ANDHRABANK is a sure shot sell call. So you can just see that Tata Steel, we have a sell call.
is a bike all in Ranback C1. There is a bike all in Sunflower 1.
So we have the pharma pack and the IT pack active today. Let's change some scripts for Ranback C, CIPLA. I think is a buy call now. Can you see that?
There is a cell phone in 8 event ID everyone.
So just review that Nifty is at target 1 now. So LNT, you can just see that it has made its intermediate target, that is 1501 now. So these are the intermediate target levels. So in case of REL Infra, I'll just add Ranback C. You can see that we have that buy call, it's already done its final targets. Let me add Sun Pharma. So the call is still going for Sun Pharma. I'll just show you the charts. So you will get this pop-up. So there is a Ranback C call. We have this buy call here at 631. So always place your trade slightly above this candle where you have got the buy call. Let's say 1 rupee. 632. You just place the call. Once it gets triggered, your targets will be 643 and the first target will be 643, or your second target will be 661. And the red horizontal line, what you are seeing here, that is a trading stop loss line, which you can keep trading once a script moves up or down. So let me just open Sun Pharma also. See, you can just see that Sun Pharma has triggered this call. So now your target, the first target will be 840. That is your R1. Always try to book the profit slightly below R1, or else keep trailing your stop loss, that is the red horizontal line, and then try to book maximum profits. There is a possibility that it can go up to this level, Sun Pharma, that is 848, because that is the recent high, that is day before yesterday's high. So you can still hold on to these trades. So what I'll do is, since I got a buy call here in FuturesTree, usually I'll get the first call in FuturesTree and then I'll get a confirmation in Trading Tree. So you don't need to exit the calls prematurely. So HCL Tech, let me just tell you what will be its position. So you can just see that it can go up to R1 level, that is 1558. There is a possibility. So you can keep trailing your stop loss. Don't have to take this steep stop loss. You can just actually change it to the recent low, either this candle or this candle. That again depends on your the risk what you are ready to take. But there is a possibility that it can go up to 15,1558. So I'll just still hold, though it has made its final target here, I'll still hold on HCL Tech because I know that the trend is still bullish in that. So for Tech Mahindra, let me just show you the chart. Tech Mahindra, you know that it's on results today. So there is a possibility it can definitely make even R1 levels. So we'll just wait for that. So we won't exit on Tech Mahindra here, though it has done the intermediate target, that is from 74 to let's say 90. Now it is 2,500 roughly. So that's roughly around 25 rupees. 25 rupees into 250 is the lot size for Tech Mahindra. So you can just calculate what is the profit that you have made. In case if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. Travels, we have an buy call. I'm just trying to tell you this from my other system.